Now when that car move and when we change our lane, I asked you should check your which mirror again before you go? Left mirror.
Yeah.
What was the reason for that? Because what lane was there? Cycle lane, remember?
Oh, cycle lane, yeah.
Yeah. Now once you turn left, there was a give way sign there, and there were 2 lines painted which giving you the indication there is a give way coming up. But as you're approaching, I ask you, who do you give way to? You says car coming from your right. Now, were there any car coming that time?
Not at all.
What do you think you did over there that time?
I was given
You stopped. Yeah?
Yeah.
But was it a stop line or was it a give way line?
It was a giveaway line.
So what is the difference between the stop line and the give way line?
Oh, because giveaway, like a car coming, you have to give way for the car to go.
Or if there's no coming, then
Can move.
can carry on.
Can carry
You don't
on.
need to
Don't
stop.
need to stop.
What if it's a solid stop line there? Then what?
Then you have to stop.
Then you have to stop.
Yeah.
So at that time, when you stopped over there, were there any car coming from the right?
From the right, no car.
No car. Was it an open view or the closed view from the right?
It was a closed view.
Open view, because as you were approaching, like for example, can you see all that trees and all that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that open view or the closed view?
It's open.
Now, what about there? If I say to you, do you know who's coming from the left? Is it open view or the closed view from there?
It's open view.
Hold on. You see where that left road is?
Yeah.
Do you know who's coming?
Oh, sorry. It's
So
a closed view.
is a closed view?
Now I understand what
because your view
It's
is restricted.
Yeah.
So that is an open view because you have got a good view. So as you were turning left, that was an open view or the closed view?
It was an open view.
Open view. So because nobody was coming, what was the point for you to stopping that time? Yeah, you shouldn't be stopping. As we went forward, there was a mini roundabout was coming. You did 2 mini roundabouts. So the first mini roundabout, again, it was an open view. Nobody was coming from the right, but what you did, you stopped your car over there and then you looked. Yeah, only stop when there are cars coming from the right or from ahead. If there's no car coming, you continue moving. So the reason why they go the roundabouts there, so the traffic flow can continue. If you're gonna keep stopping on all open view roundabouts, if no car is coming, you are causing the hazard. You become what they call that you are hesitating. Now the second roundabout, this one we just did, that was, you're correct, it was a close view from the right because there was a building over there. Now if you stop yourself over there and then check and then go, it's fine for the examiner because your view is restricted. That is fine. So that need to differentiate, please. Yeah, is important. Okay.